How to contact and chat with Amazon support team from the app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. Now all what you have to do is go right here, click on those three lines. After you click on the three lines, it will take you to this page. Click on customer service. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now scroll down and click on something else. Click I need more help, and as you can see, you can request a phone call and you can chat with them from here. Click start chatting, and here you go. Now from here, as you can see, you can chat with the Amazon support team easily and they will answer you quickly, as you can see. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.